Hi traders, got pound against US dollar here, and you can see that on the weekly charts it's been within a very aggressive yet steady downtrend since these highs back in June 2014. Now, what's of interest of today particularly is we've got the inflation data coming out, and just last month Carney did say that he expects inflation to be not only below 1%, but below 1% for the months coming ahead. That's obviously not great growth, and it's particularly bad because when you consider they've got a 2% target. So it's forecast to come in at 0.7%. Last month at 1%, it was a 12-year low. Now, whether it's pricing or not, we don't really know until afterwards, but technically you can see it's lower lows, lower highs. We've had this little rebound from the lows, and we're expecting negative numbers. Now, let's say we came in at 0.5%. Chances are the markets probably haven't priced it in yet, and we've got these technical levels to sell into. Very loosely, of course, you've got this, call it a resistance line as opposed to a trend line. We only really had a couple of touches, the swing low here, and we're down beneath that. Always allow for the wriggle room on these longer term charts, of course, and you can see we broke through 1.52 support. We also broke through that potential support level, and we've started to rally back up into that pivotal area. So you can see that you've got on the daily chart, you've got the 8-period moving average, we've got this resistance line here, and we've got the 1.52 resistance as well. So in the event, even if we get a spike around news later today, I still think there's a good chance for further lows coming and to be testing 1.481. So it's the kind of thing, if you're going to be trading and using and leaving it, you probably want to have a wider stop. You could go in before the event with a stop well above this area here, and then try and target over the next sort of week or two for a swing trade short, which is probably safer than trying to trade the actual news event itself, because the spread can blow out. It's really hard to get a good entrance trading at the news event itself. So technically it's bearish. Fundamentally, there's not a lot of great data coming out at the moment. It's all pointing towards not only rates remaining on hold, but well into 2016, which is far more delayed. And of course, with a strong US dollar and a weak pound, then we would expect this bearish trend to resume. So any questions, drop us an email at support@thinkforex.com.